Hey, what's going on, guys? Charles here with JTS. What I have today is the much talked about M12AK with the binary trigger. I do have other video. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to play it. I'm having some sort of issue with the software I'm using with the video and the editing process, so I'll use my phone really quick here inside the warehouse. I do apologize that I'm not out on the range. It's supposed to be raining here in a few minutes, and it's gonna be raining throughout the week, so I really don't want to go out in the middle of a rainstorm. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna load it up with a 10-round magazine and let you guys take a look for yourselves. And this is something that we're just kind of tinkering around with here at the shop. So I'm gonna get my ears on, put the magazine in, and we'll let it eat. That's 10 rounds right there. So yeah, we got some stuff coming, working on it. And if you haven't done so by now, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and please share this video. We got some more cool stuff coming. Take care.